Welcome to The Threshold. Welcome back, travelers, to The Threshold, your go-to source for the latest and greatest in artificial intelligence. Today we're diving into some incredible advancements from Google, but make sure to stick around until the end because we have some exciting news about Runway's newest tool that you won't want to miss. Let's get started. Google's recent announcements have cemented its position at the forefront of artificial intelligence innovation. With groundbreaking projects and updates, the tech giant is making bold strides toward creating more autonomous and capable AI systems. Make sure to stick around until the end. We have some exciting news about Runway's latest tool that you won't want to miss. Let's dive in and explore how these projects are shaping the future of technology. Gemini 2.0 represents the next step in Google's mission to create smarter, more adaptive AI models. Designed for complex multi-step tasks, this model showcases remarkable capabilities. Deep research. Gemini 2.0 can compile extensive reports on various topics, scouring the web to provide a comprehensive analysis. This tool is expected to revolutionize professional workflows by enabling faster, more detailed research. Task automation. The model's ability to handle intricate processes with minimal human input makes it ideal for automating repetitive or high-complexity tasks. Multimodal integration. Gemini 2.0 seamlessly processes text, images, video, and audio, making it a versatile assistant for diverse industries. These features position Gemini 2.0 as a vital tool for businesses and individuals seeking efficiency and depth in their digital interactions. Google DeepMind has launched Project Astra, a futuristic AI assistant designed to redefine conversational AI. Astra can handle multimodal inputs. Text, images, audio, and video are processed holistically for nuanced responses. Engage in natural dialogues. Advanced natural language understanding allows Astra to sustain meaningful conversations across a variety of topics. Execute complex tasks. From scheduling appointments to creating content, Astra's robust design ensures unparalleled utility. Project Astra's potential applications span from personal assistance to corporate problem-solving, making it a game-changer for AI interaction. Complementing Astra, Project Mariner is another ambitious initiative. This tool enables AI to independently browse the web and execute tasks such as content retrieval, efficiently finding and organizing relevant information, and online interactions, completing tasks like online purchases or form submissions autonomously. Currently in testing, Project Mariner's capabilities highlight the evolving role of AI as a digital collaborator. As Google announces these developments, Apple's new Apple Intelligence system has also entered the spotlight. It brings enhanced Siri capabilities, custom emoji creation, and more. While Apple focuses on personalized user experiences, Google's aim is to create universally adaptable, task-driven AI tools, setting up an interesting dynamic between the two tech giants. Runway has introduced its own innovative contribution to AI creativity with the Act 1 tool. This system simplifies character animation by allowing users to generate expressive performances from simple video inputs. Key features include effortless animation. Act 1 eliminates the need for traditional motion capture or rigging. By analyzing an actor's movements, the tool applies them to AI-generated characters seamlessly. Broad applications, from film and game design to educational content creation, Act 1 opens new doors for animators and storytellers. This tool underscores Runway's commitment to democratizing creative technologies, enabling users at all skill levels to bring their visions to life. The world of AI continues to evolve rapidly, with Google Runway and other industry leaders paving the way for new possibilities. Gemini 2.0, Project Astra, and Project Mariner highlight Google's commitment to creating powerful, versatile tools for the modern era. Meanwhile, Runway's Act 1 tool demonstrates how AI is reshaping creative industries, making advanced animation accessible to everyone. Together, these advancements mark an exciting chapter in the story of artificial intelligence. Thanks for watching, travelers. If you enjoyed learning about these exciting AI innovations, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, see you on the threshold.